Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Display section right away. Now tap on this square icon next to Automatic, located next to Brightness slider. And as you can see, my square turned blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!